Found in the finest and most prestigious steakhouses and restaurants in the world, Southbend's broilers have been an industry standard for over 50 years.
We were massively busy, right from the get-go. We did 400 or 500 covers a night, and this broiler kept up. It's the same even heat, it's the same forced air, it's like a supercharger with a fan blowing through. That's why it gets so incredibly hot, and the recovery time is so quick.
We produce more heat in our broilers than most competitors do. We're able to sear meat quicker, able to produce a better result.
Southbend's infrared burner system produces an unparalleled evenness of cooking and searing. With tile temperatures reaching 1650 degrees Fahrenheit in just 90 seconds, the infrared burners can quickly caramelize proteins to perfection, sealing juices into the product.
Power inducing our burners is what gives the burner the most efficient heat, but also the most uniform heat in the oven cavity. One of the things that makes our burners unique in the way that they burn is in the air being induced into the burner to get a hotter burn than normal.
In today's hectic compact kitchen, you need three things from your equipment: speed, consistency, and durability.
When I started looking for equipment that I wanted on my line, I went back to Southbend. Tremendous heat, very quick recovery time, and the heavy-duty nature of the equipment. To me, it's the hottest one I've ever seen.
The heavy-duty construction of Southbend's broilers can take the heat. Anything a busy kitchen can dish out. With a hand-built welded steel frame, Southbend's broilers stand the test of time, often giving decades of service to their kitchens.
We hand weld steel. We hand build the broiler one at a time. Not everybody that builds broilers builds them to the exact specifications that we do. We use heavier gauge materials. We're building a piece of equipment that we understand is going to be out in the field for years.
I am old enough to remember when things were more durable than they currently are. And I think that Southbend, with their heavy-duty manufacturing, is actually trying to get back to this model.
You're going to get a consistent finish on your product, so you get a better product out to the customer each and every time.
Nothing else works. Believe me, we've tried.